Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Welcome to our new deck build in Federal Way, Washington. Thank you for coming and thank you for watching this video. We really appreciate it. If you hadn't already, please click that subscribe button, as 83% of you do not, and hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when we're putting out new content. All right, so basically what we're doing today is we're ripping a deck off a house and we're throwing it in the back of my truck so I can go get rid of it. And we're gonna do some layouts for our footings and that kind of thing, so stay tuned for that. We might put that in a separate video as well, or if you're lucky, maybe it'll be in this one too. So just keep watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below as well. All right, so basically what you see here is an old deck, and there's some projections of it, and then it goes in and it goes out, and the client's like, you know what, we have this killer view, which you'll see eventually. So we would rather you just bring the deck out 12 feet and go the full width of our house. So we're just gonna go 62 feet wide and a 12-foot projection. Pretty standard, industry standard, simple stuff. But you know what? I'm excited, looking forward to it. I think we're putting cable rail on this one, so we'll stay tuned for that as well. But basically, it's all about ripping down the deck and making sure that we do it safely. So that's what's on the docket. All right, so I didn't draw this one. It was actually architect drawn. They have a remodeler remodeling the inside of the house. He's done the downstairs, now he's doing the upstairs. So basically, the plans were supplied to me, and we've already changed them a little bit, which is okay. I don't know if you can see this very well, but the entire deck's coming out 12 feet instead of a kickback. So we had to have them redraw that and resubmit it for permitting, but basically the whole deck's just gonna be the same width all the way out. There's the back of the house, there's the deck. So I don't know if there's any other interesting drawings you can see. The details for the deck aren't really substantial. There's a couple of floor and footing details. Here's a footing detail, but we're actually using helical piles instead of those. Here's some beam to post connection, which we're gonna change as well. The only thing that we're doing the same is something like this, and we're doing this, which is a new code requirement where you have to actually attach a bracket to the underside of a joist and then lag it into the sill plate of the wall so that the deck cannot, this joist cannot come away from the house in the event of an earthquake. We do get earthquakes here. We get them more often than we realize because you don't always feel an earthquake, but then we also get those real humdingers once in a while. You're like, earthquake! Did you feel it? Oh, okay. Well, anyway, I've actually been working outside when we had a 7-point something earthquake, and I felt like I was bouncing up and down a couple feet. It was trippy. And we've had a few more that were more hollow, and they kind of like jump up and down about 5 or 6 inches, which is still kind of trippy when you think about it. Who else has been in an earthquake? Leave a comment below, let me know. All right, so first thing we gotta do is get this railing down and off the deck. So I'm gonna cut it up into short sections and start tossing it. Well, I'm probably gonna carry it over here and then toss it down in the driveway so that the guys can throw it in the truck. So we're gonna cut it into manageable sections. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. And that goes pretty quick. So we'll get that done and then we'll start on the decking. our railing is down now, so the next step is removing the decking. We have the decking removed off this top of this deck, and the next step is going to be taking all the joists off. I really didn't think it was going to come off that easy, but you can kind of see that they only had 2 screws into some 2x4s, which really wasn't holding much up. This wasn't structural, so lucky for me they weren't all attached into here. They were just attached into here, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense now, does it? All right, so all these screws are so stripped and full of paint that it's just gonna be faster if I just cut everything. So I'm just gonna double cut these joists and get them out of here. It's just gonna be faster, so I'm just gonna do that. Oh man, I hit my machine. Always be careful, ABC. Alright guys, so wanted to introduce you to Jose.
Hi everyone, my name is Jose.
He's the newest member to the Dr. Decks team. It took me 6 months to find this guy, so hopefully he sticks around a minute. And tell him a little bit about yourself, Jose, if you want, and what you into and all that good stuff.
My experience in construction comes from remodeling, a little bit of framing as well. As far as hobbies, I'm gonna do music and exercise. That's my main thing.
All right, guys, so stay tuned to learn more about Jose as time goes on and see how he fits and blends with the team. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit that bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Don't forget to like our videos, and please leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.